What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Jamie. I'm back with another video on how to fleek your eyebrows, and if you like it, subscribe. So I got this little brush from my local beauty supply store. It's $1.99. It's a comb and a little brush. I'm just brushing it. Now I'm gonna snip. I'm forming my brows to how I want them to be, getting them all nice and, snatched. If you feel me. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. You feel me. Now I'm taking this little, little cutter, whatever, little razor that I got from Dollar Tree for $1. Taking my little spoolie. This is Nika K Brow Wiz that I got from my beauty supply store for $1.99. Brushing it out again, just trying to get it to my liking. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm doing right now. So I'm just gonna continue to shape it up how I like it. Lining that the fuck up because girl, it was looking hairy. Alright, I'm gonna do this other. Guys, I'm left-handed. It's hard out here for left-handed people, I ain't gonna lie. Next, I'm going on to wash my face. And yes, I kept my lashes on while I washed my face because your girl did not have the time. So my lashes survived that wash. Good thing. Today, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Nivea Face Moisturizer. Well, body moisturizer, body cream. I'm going to take the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, put it on my eyebrows because I stole that from Aaliyah J's video. That's what she used to make her eyebrows grow, so I'm gonna try that. I've been trying. It seemed like it's working. I don't know about this setting powder. I don't like it, but I'm gonna set my eyebrows with it because I don't like my eyebrows to look too shiny or, because I use the eyebrow pencil, so I don't like that waxy look. I like it to look a little ashy. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Dusting that setting powder off, and that's pretty much the only thing I use that Ruby Kisses setting powder for. And just like that, y'all caught me yelling at the kids. And that's why this is a voiceover. Anyways, I'm just drawing in my eyebrows now. Nothing left to it but to do it, girl. Okay. Alright, you did that shit. Hello. My head itches. Okay. And that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep shading it in. Pretty much. Alright, and I thought I was recording my camera. I'm actually recording on my phone, so I got a phone call. That's what happened. And I thought that I started recording again, but I actually didn't. So I concealed under my brows with LA Girls in the color Fawn. I'm spoolieing out my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Duo eyebrow brush. I don't really like the edge brush on the other end, but whatevs. And I just set my underbrow with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm doing a little contour on my nose because I like to contour my nose. I don't know why. I have a button nose. So I'm just bringing it all the way up to my eyebrow. And I'm gonna shade it all out. That's all I'm going to do. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna keep shading that into my liking. And it's looking good. I'm liking it. My nose is definitely looking slimmer. And I'm probably going to just conceal my face to highlight, in my T-zone, my chin, under my eyes. And I'm going to contour. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to throw on some eyeshadow. I don't know what colors I put in, but it was like a mix, whatever. And that's pretty much it. That's my look. It's a hot day, so I'm not trying to put foundation on. If you guys like that video, just give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts, subscribe to my channel, and stay cool. Peace out.